Love and dating vocabulary, flirting in English without sounding weird. Let's go. Crush, crush. I think I have a little crush on you. Chemistry, chemistry. There's definitely some chemistry between us, don't you think? Butterflies, butterflies. Every time you text me, I get butterflies. Cute, cute. You look so cute when you smile like that. Flirty, flirty. Are you being flirting with me right now? A spark, a spark. I felt a spark the first time we met. Adore, adore. I absolutely adore the way you talk about your dreams. Charming, charming. You're too charming. Hot, hot. Wow, you look hot tonight. Sweetheart, sweetheart. Good night, sweetheart. Flattered, flattered. I'm flattered you noticed my new haircut. Attractive, attractive. There's some really attractive about your confidence. Pickup line, pickup line. Is that your real smile or are you just trying to melt my heart? Date night, date night. I can't wait for our date night this weekend. Compliment, compliment. That's such a sweet compliment. Thank you. Romantic. Romantic. This place is so romantic. You really know how to choose. Handsome. Handsome. You look very handsome in that suit. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You're absolutely gorgeous tonight. Cringe. Cringe. That line was kind of cringe, but cute. Soulmate. Soulmate. Sometimes I feel like you're my soulmate. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.